So hello everyone, myself Nikhil Tripathi, and in this presentation I will be presenting my work Differ No Time Delays Have Dangerous and Slow HTTP 2 DOS Attacks into the Wild. So coming to the introduction, slow HTTP 2 DOS attacks involve sending multiple incomplete web requests to the server. On receiving these requests, server stores them into the finite connection queue space and waits to receive the remaining part of the request. However, what attacker does, it never sends the remaining parts of the request. So once this connection queue space is depleted due to these incomplete requests, server cannot entertain further incoming legitimate requests, which results into the DOS scenario. Coming to the motivation behind this work, first, real web servers on the internet were not tested against slow HTTP 2 DOS attacks in the past. Second, existing defense approaches to counter attacks against HTTP 1.1, they cannot counter slow HTTP 2 DOS attacks. So coming to our contribution in this work, first we measured HTTP2 usage over internet, and we found that more than 356,000 web servers support HTTP2 over internet. And then we performed an empirical evaluation of slow HTTP2 DOS attacks by considering Alexa top 500,000 websites. So we have 5 known slow HTTP2 DOS attacks, which we proposed earlier in one of our prior works. And so what we did, we sent only one request of each attack type to these HTTP2 supporting web servers to test their behavior. And we did not have any intention to launch attacks against them. So we sent only one request of each attack type. So now if we see this example, this graph, if we see this red line for attack 1, we can see that more than 40% of the web servers waited for more than 400 seconds. So this long waiting time to receive the remaining portions of the web request make these web servers vulnerable to the slow HTTP 2 DOS attacks. So coming to the conclusion of the work, first, we found that several web servers on internet are vulnerable to the attacks. And what was the reason behind that? First, robustness principle. All the entities over internet follow robustness principle, which states that entities should be tolerant while receiving the data. And second, emphasizing more on performance rather than security. So HTTP2, if we take example, HTTP2 is more efficient as compared to HTTP 1.1, but at the same time, it is more vulnerable as well due to its complexity. Now, so we can argue here that real-time detection is essential to counter these attacks. Thank you very much.